Hey y'all, today I am making the easiest chicken dinner that you will ever make. I've got a stick of butter, just half a cup of butter, and this is some shredded chicken. You can actually take like a rotisserie chicken and shred it yourself so you can get pieces like that fatty skin part off. Just make sure that you shred it just a little bit more if it's too big for you. Then we are adding a bag of frozen mixed veggies. If you don't like corn in your chicken dishes, you can just get the one that say peas and carrots. But this one actually has peas, carrots, and green beans. Okay, go ahead and turn this on the side. And bring in this little bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit mix. That's so good, guys. Dump the whole thing right into the bowl. And yep, don't forget this little seasoning packet, some scissors. But yeah, don't forget that seasoning packet because that's the best part. And add that in.
And to that, we're adding 1 whole cup of milk.
And that goes right in there. This is so easy to make. Those Cheddar Bay biscuits just taste amazing. And then we're gonna pour this all over the top. Just like that. Spatula. And just kind of spread that around. Real easy. Don't have to be super perfect with this. And then we have one more layer, and that is cream of chicken soup. See, not cooperating. And we're going to be adding 2 cups of chicken stock.
Has the weather started warming up where you are? I don't know where in the country you're watching from. Let me know where you're watching from and if it started warming up where you are or if it's still snowing. Give everything a really good mix.
And that's going to get poured all over the top. You get in between all of those chicken pieces, the frozen veggies. I'm going to show you the best part of this recipe, which is, don't mix it. This is going to go straight into a 375-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Look at how it came out. It looks so amazing. I'm going to go ahead and cut right into the middle of this. I love those Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits. I know this is going to be amazing. Look at all the chicken and the veggies. Gonna give this a try. That is so good. You should definitely make this.